Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have another Mark II TT. So if you've followed us for a while or know about us, we do quite a lot of these. Big fan of them, a really nice car. So this one's the black edition, as you can see. So bigger wheels, got 19-inch wheels. They sit slightly lower, nicer bumpers, etc. I didn't realise how much lower they do sit, but when it's parked next to our other TTs, they do really sit really nice, and with the wheels, I think they've got the perfect gap. So still very practical and usable, but just looks a bit sportier in my opinion. So as always, the full details of the car will be on the advert, spec, etc. It's already been through the workshop, this one. We've done quite a bit of work to it. Cambelt and water pump's just been done as well. Wheels are in really good condition, no marks on them. For the age and mileage, I think the bodywork's in good condition as well. Again, no major dents, scuffs, scrapes, anything like that. Exhaust is really clean. So it is the 2-litre TDI Quattro. It's got the privacy glass as well, parking sensors. It's come from a local owner who's spent a lot of money on maintenance with it. And as with all our cars, they'll come with 12 months MOT. They're all supplied with a warranty. There's an option to extend that warranty if you like. We can take part exchange, we can offer finance. So yeah, Bose stereo as well with it, cruise control. It's just turned 119,000 miles now. 6-speed manual. The S-line, half leather seats as well. So yeah, definitely worth looking at. Like I say, really good history with this one. And a lot of money just recently been spent on it. As always, we do viewing by appointment only. It's not first come, first serve here. If you make an appointment and you're travelling, then you'll get to see the car. It's as simple as that. The car will be inside, it'll be stone cold, and you'll have room to get round. Which I know seems like a pretty obvious thing to say, but you'll be surprised when you go to some dealerships and the cars are wedged in, they're not ready, you're outside, you're viewing them in the cold. So that's the only reason we do viewing by appointment, just so the car can be ready for you. You don't have a wasted trip. So if you want to arrange a test drive, if you've got any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.